Hi, everybody. I'm here with another update on COVID-19. And today's update is a little bit of a different message. I'm going to talk about three things. First, the importance of being present. Second, the opportunity to use our places and our people for community good. And third, what can we all do as individuals? So let me talk about the importance of being present. I know it sounds like a bit of a cliche, but we are literally living through history right now. This is a challenging time, and it doesn't come with a playbook as to what any of us are supposed to do as individuals. So by being present and paying attention to our families, our businesses, and what's going on around us, there's an incredible opportunity that exists. And the opportunity is to learn more about ourselves, everything around you, and an opportunity to learn, perhaps a better opportunity than in any other time we might have had in our lives. The second message is to use our people and our places as community assets. We have resources and they're sitting idle right now. We have underutilized parking garages, parking lots, storage spaces. We have unused resources like excess cleaning supplies or toilet paper. We have unoccupied apartments. And we have at-grade retail space. Many of you have identified wonderful examples and terrific ways to put these resources into action to make outcomes for our community and improve the lives of those around us in our communities at a time where they need our assistance the most. So you might recall a story I told you before about our Share a Square initiative, where Greg Taylor and David Costello gathered excess toilet paper and shared it with quarantine residences in our Brampton Towers assets. At Hudson Yards, Dean Shapiro has come up with a way to convert vacant retail space into a commissary to feed frontline medical workers that will serve 4,000 beds at a makeshift hospital at the Javits Center across the road from Hudson Yards. With the food court at Hillcrest Mall closed, Tien Nguyen and the team were able to lend their idle assets, in this case food trays, to allow a local retirement community to provide in-room meal services while at the same time maintaining physical distancing for the safety of their residents. And in the UK, the team has identified multiple opportunities to help the National Health Service. So Henry Shearer and the office team are providing the NHS with storage space and car parking facilities at our Bluefin asset and Mid-City Place. And in our residential portfolio, James Bodle and the Get Living team are offering accommodations to NHS workers near hospitals. And lastly, this week, our Canadian team at our 310 Max platform and our customer service teams have began a proactive outreach program, checking in on our residences to see if there's anything we can do to provide them with additional assistance. It's another example of going the extra mile and helping our community at a time when it's in need. So my last message is about what can you do? And it starts by being present with a conscious decision. So keep your eyes open, listen, ask questions, pay attention to what's going on at home, at work, and in the world around you. Finding ways of helping your community also requires keeping your eyes open and paying attention. Look for ways to use our places, our people, our latent assets in new ways to help others. And when you do this, please share your ideas. It has an impact. It inspires other people to follow and do the same. So share your ideas on our platforms, O Positive and Oxport. And I'd ask that you also tag these. Use the hashtag Oxford Proud and hashtag Inspired Ideas so that your colleagues can easily find these stories and emulate them and create a wave, if you will, so that we can help the communities around us, particularly now at a time where they need that help the most. So in closing, I'd say life is a marathon. It's not a sprint, particularly in a crisis. So there's an upcoming holiday this weekend. It's a perfect opportunity and perfect reason to be present and pay extra attention to yourself and your families and your loved ones. You have to look at yourself, to look after others, to look after your community, and to look after our business. So thank you for listening. Until next week, and in between now and then, please don't forget to wash your hands.